It's fall. I am really excited. It's fall. I'm happy. It's my favorite season of the year. I'm really excited to decorate my house. Now, I will be going over my inspiration for the looks that I'm doing in each section of the room that I'm focusing on. I have created Pinterest boards. I will be showing you guys in a little bit. And I have been accumulating a lot of things from Ikea, Target, Amazon. I will be going to Dollar Tree. Well, now it's $1.25 Tree. And Friday, I hope that I will have time to go to At Home, because At Home has like one of the best home decor selections I've ever seen. Oh, I also went to TJ Maxx and got some things from there too. So I'm excited to do a haul for you guys. And I want to go to Hobby Lobby, but I feel like Hobby Lobby honestly might be too overwhelming for me to go to. That's a lot. And I know, like, At Home is not overwhelming, but Hobby Lobby is. Yes, it is. And Hobby Lobby is a lot more pricier than At Home. I feel better going to At Home because it's not as crowded in there. It's a lot more spacious. So let's get this video started. So I'm here and it's time to look at Pinterest boards. So I did save some pins on Pinterest based on front door decor, living room fall decor, dining room decor, and some decor for my foyer. I'm focusing on areas where I mostly entertain when people walk into my house. I have 4 different pins. Let's take a look at some of those options that I have. So this is kind of what I'm looking for in the front door. Definitely very minimal. Some orange to highlight fall, but still having that black neutral theme there. I did get some lanterns. I did get some fake pumpkins. I'm hoping that I'll be able to get a real pumpkin. That would be absolutely sweet. One of these have like a little bit of a Halloween touch on it. So it's really nice. White pumpkins, orange pumpkins, very minimal, very, very nice. So let's look at our living room fall decor pins. So in the living room, keeping it very neutral with our yellows, mustards, oranges, our tans, our browns, our beiges. That's definitely a theme that I'm going for in this space. And I did find a throw blanket that's similar to that. It doesn't have that knitted look, but it works perfectly fine, and I'm not trying to mimic the space too much, but kind of make it have like a similar feel to this exact pin. That's my living room stuff. Let's move on to the dining room pins. So the dining room won't have too many things. I'm kind of thinking of really focusing on that first pin. I have a runner that looks like that. I'm keeping it very minimal. I'm not gonna have any dishes or anything on the table, but just focusing on the table runner and the decor items that I'm going to be putting on the runner. So that's going to be the emphasis for me, but again, very minimal in this space. I will be adding like a fake plant, a candle, maybe a pumpkin or 2, but we'll see what I do. But this is kind of like my inspiration for that dining room area. Now let's look at the foyer pins that I have. So I have a lot more pins for the foyer, still staying neutral. If you looked at my last video, you'll see my Bissa shoe cabinet that I just revamped. So I'm going to be playing off of that shoe cabinet and adding pieces that kind of complement that shoe cabinet as well as the area around it. Looking at a lot of neutrals again. I have some dried plants that I'm going to be putting there. Definitely going to put like a throw blanket as well as an accent pillow on the bench. That will be really nice. Those are all the pins that I have for my Pinterest inspiration, and this is typically how I work when it comes to deciding how I'm going to transform a space. I go to Pinterest first, I look at some inspiration, I watch some YouTube videos and complement it to my space and my style. So now we're gonna head over to some of my stores. We're going to Target, we're going to TJ Maxx. I might head over to Ikea, or I might do an online order from them because I don't have the energy to go to Ikea this week. That would be a lot walking in there. Let me stop talking and let me go shopping. I ended up going to At Home this morning and added that clip in there. It was very brief because there was a lot of people in there and I really didn't want to like film down the aisles, and like there were workers like restocking and everything like that. So I did add some clips and I'm going to kind of go over each of the stores that I went to and each of the items that I got. And we're gonna first start off with Target. At Target, I got 2 hand towels. One was a beige color and one was kind of harvesty, and I'm gonna use that to drape on the handle of the stove, and I'm gonna put the beige one on top of the colorful one that looks very harvesty. I also got a table runner for the dining room table. It's like a wicker fabric. And I also got some floral stem pieces. They were like $5 each, and I thought they were really cool. It kind of matched that harvest, fall, autumn theme that I'm going for, and I got those. And then I just found some faux potted plants and 2 decorative pumpkins. So that's everything that I got from Target. I didn't get too many things because Target's honestly kind of pricey. So next we headed over to TJ Maxx. At TJ Maxx, I kept it really simple. I got decor pieces for my bookshelf. I got a garden gnome for outside. I got 2 plush pillows that I thought were really cute, and they were neutral that I could put on the coffee table because I did want some decor on the coffee table, but just not too much for my cats to knock over. I got this mug called, I think it's called Ghoul Friend. Yeah, it's called Ghoul Friend, and I got a throw blanket and then decorative acorns that I actually put into a lantern that I got from Ikea. So this is everything I got from TJ Maxx. Everything's so cute that I got, especially that garden gnome. Honestly, I saw that garden gnome and I was like, I really have to have this because this is something I can keep for years and years. The next place that I got stuff from is Amazon. I'll be honest with you guys, I'm not really happy with the stuff that I got from Amazon. I do like the 20 by 20, or I think they're 18 by 18 pillow covers that I got in the back. The ones that are neutral and it's like Hello Pumpkin, those are nice. Okay, the ones that is in the front, the really orange one, and then those faux pumpkins, I'm not impressed with those, but I'm just gonna use what I have. I do like the fake leaves that come with those pumpkins. So I did put those all over my bookshelves and it looks really cute. And just making do with the pumpkins that I do have, it does look really nice. On the other side of those pillow covers, I did get 8x10 prints to replace some of my summer themed pictures, and they looked really good online, but in person they're just amazing. And then the next store that I went to was Ikea, my favorite store in the entire world. Anyone can tell you that. I got a new area rug, indoor area rug. I got some faux succulents. I love real succulents, but I got faux ones because I can't get real plants in my house. I got some dried floral. So we have some dried floral there that I decorated with. And then I got some new vases from Ikea. So I got an assortment of vases that I absolutely love, and I got a wreath for the door. One of those vases is actually not a vase. It's actually a oil pour, and you put vinegar in there too, but I used it as a decorative vase. I just didn't buy the piece that you're supposed to pour out of it from. And then I got 2 fall themed candles. One was a really big one, and one is just a medium-sized one that is in my foyer. I also ordered a lantern from Ikea. I'm so happy with it. The only thing that I don't like about this lantern, honestly, you guys, even though it looks really nice, is the door, or like the magnet on the door, doesn't shut all the way, which is kind of annoying. I think the magnet's just weak. I've had to use Gorilla Tape to keep the door from constantly swinging in and out. That was a little bit annoying, but nonetheless, not a big deal. I just kind of made do with what I had, and we just kind of move from that.